Oh no, not again. Cut. This time we have a Pixar Animation Studios letter.
Oh God, are you sure is this a freaking joke?
Oh, I'm just here because A is in Ignacio's Pixar logo bloopers series right now.
I got the footage.
Cut. This time we have a subway letter.
Oh no, not this again. Hey!
Well, after A comes back, and then we do take 30. Cutty cut, who's peeking out just like in take 11.
Well, I am D, and I am the microphone filmer.
Are you?
Why do we keep get stuffing every single time? It's driving me extremely crazy.
Well, I guess I fainted, and D, you can be the microphone filmer. Anyways, take 31.
Oh God, here we go again. Big humongous gigantic enormous cut, we have another Nickelodeon CGI logo.
Oh, my, finger, licking, good, fingers, J-O-K-E. Put the letters together and what word do we get? Joke, 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 only joke, and nothing but joke. Seriously, is this a severe joke or something?
Nickelodeon Christmas tree.
Sorry about that, guys. I'm substituting for A because he's on a cruise ship right now. Do you have the footage, Bay?
I sure do, and I'll show it straight away.
Nano Man, it sure is nice being on this cruise ship. I wonder if there's anything interesting around here.
Oh shoot, I'm sorry, Subway A. I didn't even see you there. Are you okay?
Horror. Horror. Harrison Moulton, is that you? Will you excuse me for a moment?
After the messages, be right back.
What did I just witness?
Oh my God, that footage was so hilarious, right guys?
Yes, it was so hilarious. Thanks for showing us the footage, Nickelodeon Christmas tree.
Hey, don't mention it.
Anyways, let's wait for A to come back from his cruise ship vacation and then we do the next take. Cutty bang bang.
Why did you say cut in that way?
Because we have a soccer club here.
With that being said, who is it?
Juventus.
Oh, I'm just B's replacement because B is watching a soccer game with Inter, Sweden, and hashtag. And guess what? I bring the footage to the studio with me.
Wow, this soccer game's really good.
I hope your cousin Inter Miami wins.
Me too.
Me 3.
Gosh, I knew that this is gonna happen because of those waitings, but I don't wanna rage and explode again, well, after B returns, and then we can do take 33. Wait, something is off. Cut. You, where did you get that drum?
Hey R, I can summon Toodles by touching this drum.
Wait, who is Toodles?
You will see.
So he is Toodles.
It is.
Alright, show us what you got. Oh, that's actually nice. Well, as Toodle say it, take 34. Alright, no mess up so far, that's means is. What the? Never mind, cut. The embassy pictures intro just interrupted the subway logo, you know what. Ugh, forget this blooper again, take 35. Okay, so no blooper, right Rick?
No! My name's not Rick!
Oh, my goodness, God.
Cut!
This time we have a different logo in the subtext.
Again! You think this is a joke?
TBS.
Hey, what happened to the lights?
Hi there. Welcome to McDonald's. What can I get for you?
We would like French fries and chicken nuggets, with a high C, please.
Okay, coming right.
Oh no. Where did the lights go?
Oh. It's just a power outage.
Wow, Madbees, this is the best smartphone party you ever made.
I agree with you, brother. How may it possibly gone wrong?
Oh, come on.
Are you serious?
Oh my god, an electrical blackout.
Are you kidding me? The party is now ruined.
Party crasher.
This is just great. Now we have to wait and sit here in the dark with nothing to do.
Thank you for shopping with us today. Come again soon. Hello, welcome to the Go Animate Supermarket. How may I? Oh no, the power went out. We are going to have to close the store down early. Attention shoppers, due to an electrical blackout, the store is now closed. Please proceed to the checkout registers. If you can't find your way to the checkout registers, don't worry, emergency lighting has been turned on to help you find your way to the exit. For your shopping convenience, we will try to be open tomorrow at 8 a.m. Thank you for shopping with us today at the Go Animate Supermarket, and have a great day.
Meanwhile,
TBS explosion was so powerful, that makes the power go out. After that, well, do take 37. Alright, does everyone got their candles ready?
Yep, I did it.
Good. So, does everyone get the power go back on?
I can do it.
Wow, how could you do that? Wow, everyone has a great cheer. Let's do take 38. Ugh, I hate Mondays. Cut, why does the logo says, Sub Monday?
That's because W is at the Burj Khalifa with 6, Turkmenistan, and PSG, so N, do you have the footage?
Sorry, I don't have it.
How about you, O?
Lucky for me, I bring the footage to the studio, so I gotta show it straight away.
Wow, the Burj Khalifa is so high.
Sure it is.
Even the Eiffel Tower y est détail.
That's so true, P. Edge.
Okay, so we wait the others to leave, and we'll do take 39. Cut, I think this time we have an Incredibox polo.
What the fruit is this, you motherfucker?
That was close.
Yeah, we could have been demonetized.
Anyways, who's the polo?
MOG?
Oh, I'm just W replacement because he's visiting his friends from college right now.
I got the footage. Hi, Ja.
Hi W.
Ah, that's wholesome, anyways. Well, just wait until W comes back and then we can do take 40. Also, let's unmute A, but remember, we don't swear.
Okay, so no blooper. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, sucks to be you. Wait, what?
Oh my god, how could you Rottweiler voices stop handing this for 349,334,839,595 times?
Is this a joke?
Why do you guys sound like this?
It's
Microsoft Sam's voice.
It's okay, yes. Also, you changed my voice too. Change the voice back to normal, and then we'll do take 41.
Cut, the A is overflated.
Oh. My. Freaking. Gosh. This is driving me crazy right now. Is this a joke again?
Guys, I have a bad feeling that the A is about to.
Hey folks, viewer mail time again. Oh, here's one from Liz Mary Gomez. Dear Floyd Animate, aren't you interrupting the story at the most suspenseful part? Well, the answer is yes, Liz Mary. Yes, I am. Keep those cards and letters coming.
Pop, with sunscreen.
Ugh, these will always happens, after dry the sunscreen of ourselves, and then we're due the next take. Cut, this time a different letter has been added.
Are you trying to joke me?
C.
Oh, oops, I didn't mean to be here.
It's okay, let's wait until you see leave the studio, and then we'll do take 43.